How to fix sound not working on your iPhone. So first of all, check your silent mode. You can simply turn on your ringer and make sure it is not orange. After that, you can simply increase the volume. Press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone to increase the volume. Or you can open up your control center and then increase your volume from this slider. Now you can simply check your Bluetooth device. Sometimes your sound is connected to headphone or speaker. So you can simply turn off Bluetooth and your iPhone will switch back to its built-in speakers. If it's still not working, you can try restarting your iPhone. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, you can simply test your sound again. You can even try playing sound from different app or media. Sometimes the issue is with specific app, not your iPhone. If nothing works, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, contact support or visit an authorized service center. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.